Hey guys, Alec back for another video. Today we're doing a 6-minute at-home ab workout. This is really challenging, so it is okay to take a 5-second break in between each and every single one of these workouts. Then I'm gonna have to show you. Each one is 30 seconds, and after one set, you rest for a minute and you do another 2 sets. And you just repeat that. It's okay to take a 5-second break. It's even challenging for me. I might even be taking a 5-second break into it. So let's go. Are you in need of a new shirt? Something that's very comfortable, something that you can just relax in before you even go to bed? Well, I'm an affiliate with Naturebacks. And if you click the link in the description below, you can get instantly 20% off of a variety of different types of shirts. I have 3 different shirts. I have this one, it looks great. And I have another one and a sweater. And they are all very comfortable, and there's even t-shirts and there's bracelets, and as long as you click the link you get 20% off, and you get a free stickers with the order and a bracelet with it. What are you waiting for? It helps me out and it helps you out. You feel great, I feel great. Get a shirt below. There's a bunch of them, especially right here. There's a whole list I'm putting up right here. Great stuff. You should definitely go check it out. Instantly 20% off. All from me. You're welcome. All right, we're on the floor. Got the stopwatch. And here goes nothing. rest 1 minute. We're at 3 minutes and 40 seconds. We're gonna start at 4:30. This is really challenging. It might surpass 6 minutes. It actually might be close to 7 minutes, maybe even 8. So, yeah, my stomach's burning really bad right now. Yeah, this is probably one of the hardest ab exercises I've done. I just got done with a push-pull workout. It was back and buys and legs today. So I'm just finishing it off with something just detrimental to my body. All right, here we go. Ugh. As you can see, I was giving out at the end. If you're a madman, you can keep going and surpass and do a third round of it. But 2 rounds is enough for me today. My stomach burns. And I promise you, it's gonna burn you too. Give it a try. As you can see, like a lot of the time, the stopwatch kept shutting off and I had to keep turning the phone back on. But other than that, I got through it. You can too. Anyways, give this video a like, share it with your friends, let them try something different with their abs. It's really killer. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.